To allow or deny up to access call logs in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down from screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down and then tap privacy. Tap permission manager and then select call logs. Apps with this permission can read and open call logs. Select apps you want to permission, for example contacts, and then select option you want, allow or deny call logs access for this app. And then if you deny this permission, basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. Tap deny away to if you sure or cancel, and then tap back button to save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.